Good morning, students. Today we will study about the properties of different states of matter, that is, solid, liquid, and gases. There is also one more state of matter, that is plasma, about which we will study in higher classes. Starting with solid state, let us study some properties of solid. Solids have definite shape and fixed volume. Some examples of solid you can see around yourself: chair, table, stone, books, pencil, paper. All these are solid, and you can see they are having a fixed shape and also have a fixed volume. Like, for example, a bucket. A 1 liter bucket will carry only 1 liter liquid or 1 liter any water or any liquid. So this shows that solid have fixed volume because they are having definite shape. The space between the particle is minimum. This is the reason why they have a definite shape. The force of attraction between the particle is maximum. That is, the particles of solid are attracting each other with a strong force and hence leaving very less space between them and having a definite shape. The movement of particle is minimum. It is obvious that the particles of solid are not having space between them and hence the movement of the particle will be very less. For example, if you are standing in a room full of crowd, it is very difficult for us to move in a crowded area, but it is very easy for us to move in a place where there is very less crowd. Similarly, in solid states, the particles have minimum space between them and hence it is very difficult for them to move freely. They are least compressible as they don't have space between them, they cannot be compressed further. Their rate of diffusion is least. Moving on to liquid state, the properties of liquids are they have fixed volume but do not have definite shape. Liquid takes the shape of the container. Like, for example, if you are putting water in a beaker, it takes the shape of the beaker. And if you put water on the floor, it just flows. It does not have any shape, but it do have fixed volume. The space between the particles is intermediate, not very small or not very large. It is intermediate, and this is the reason why water flows. The force of attraction between the particle is intermediate. The movement of particle is intermediate. They are less compressible, but more compressible than solid. Are very less compressible. Their rate of diffusion is more than solid. Some examples of liquid, you can say milk, water. Moving on to gaseous state, gases have no definite shape or fixed volume. Gases occupies the whole space of the container. If you keep a small amount of gas in a big room or hall, that small amount of gas will occupy the whole space present in the room. That means they are not having any fixed volume and also they do not have any fixed shape. The space between the particle is maximum. The force of attraction between the particle is minimum. The movement of particle is maximum. Every point is interrelated to each other. See, the movement of the particle is maximum. Why? Because the space between the particle is maximum. And why the space between the particle is maximum? Because the force of attraction is minimum. They are most compressible. Gases are most compressible. Their rate of diffusion is more than solid and liquid. So, in the next class, we will study about change of state, how solid gets converted into liquid and how liquid gets converted into gas and vice versa. Thank you.